Section 1. The Foundation of Efficiency, Process Improvement Frameworks. In the world of project management, efficiency reigns supreme. Projects succeed when they are completed on time, within budget, and to the required standard. This is where process improvement frameworks come into play. These frameworks are structured approaches designed to analyze, streamline, and optimize existing processes. They provide a roadmap for teams to identify bottlenecks, reduce waste, and enhance overall productivity. Process improvement frameworks act as the backbone of successful project delivery. They instill a culture of continuous improvement, encouraging teams to constantly seek ways to work smarter, not harder. By providing a clear set of guidelines and best practices, these frameworks empower teams to deliver exceptional results consistently. The beauty of these frameworks lies in their adaptability. They are not one-size-fits-all solutions, but rather flexible methodologies that can be tailored to suit the specific needs of different projects and organizations. Whether it's a large-scale construction project or a software development sprint, there's a framework out there to guide the way. By embracing process improvement frameworks, organizations can unlock a myriad of benefits, including reduced costs, improved quality, faster turnaround times, and increased customer satisfaction. In essence, these frameworks provide the tools and techniques needed to navigate the complexities of project management and achieve sustainable success. Section 2. Lean Management, Trimming Waste for Maximum Value. Lean management, originating from the Toyota Production System, is a prominent framework that focuses on maximizing value for the customer by relentlessly eliminating waste. It operates on the principle that any activity or resource that doesn't directly contribute to creating value for the customer is considered waste and should be minimized or eliminated. Lean identifies 8 types of waste defects: overproduction, waiting, non-utilized talent, transportation, inventory, motion, and extra processing. By systematically addressing these areas, organizations can streamline their processes, reduce lead times, and improve overall efficiency. One of the key strengths of Lean is its emphasis on continuous improvement, often embodied in the concept of Kaizen. Kaizen encourages everyone within the organization, from the CEO to frontline staff, to continuously identify areas for improvement and implement small, incremental changes that collectively lead to significant enhancements. Lean management is a versatile framework applicable across various industries and project types. From manufacturing and healthcare to software development and service industries, Lean principles can be adapted to optimize processes, reduce waste, and deliver exceptional value to customers. Section 3. 6 Sigma, a data-driven approach to eliminate defects. 6 Sigma, a data-driven process improvement methodology, strives for near perfection by minimizing defects and variations in any process. It emphasizes the use of statistical analysis and data-driven decision-making to identify the root causes of defects and implement corrective actions. The methodology follows a structured approach known as DMAIC, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This 5-phase process provides a systematic framework for teams to define the problem, collect relevant data, analyze the data to identify root causes, implement solutions, and establish control measures to sustain the improvements. One of the key strengths of Six Sigma is its rigorous focus on data and statistical analysis. By quantifying the impact of process improvements, organizations can measure their success and ensure that the changes implemented are truly effective in reducing defects and variations. Six Sigma has been successfully implemented in a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, finance, and IT, to improve process efficiency, reduce costs, and enhance customer satisfaction. Its data-driven approach provides a robust framework for organizations to achieve breakthrough improvements in their processes. Section 4. Agile, embracing flexibility and iterative progress. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, agility is paramount. Agile methodologies born from the software development world emphasize flexibility, collaboration, and iterative progress, enabling teams to adapt to changing requirements and deliver value incrementally. Unlike traditional waterfall approaches, which follow a linear and sequential process, agile methodologies embrace change and encourage continuous feedback loops. Projects are broken down into smaller, more manageable iterations called sprints, allowing teams to adapt to new information and adjust their course as needed. Collaboration is at the heart of Agile. It fosters a culture of open communication and teamwork, encouraging close collaboration between developers, stakeholders, and customers throughout the project lifecycle. This iterative and collaborative approach ensures that everyone is aligned and working towards a common goal. Agile methodologies have gained significant traction beyond software development, finding applications in various industries such as marketing, finance, and even government. Their ability to adapt to change and deliver value incrementally makes them well-suited for projects in today's dynamic business environment. Section 5. Other noteworthy frameworks: Kanban, Scrum, and Waterfall. Beyond the prominent frameworks of Lean, Six Sigma, and Agile, the world of project management offers a diverse toolbox of methodologies, each with its unique strengths and applications. Kanban, a visual system for managing work, focuses on visualizing the workflow, limiting work in progress, and identifying bottlenecks. It uses a Kanban board, typically a physical or digital board, with columns representing different stages of the workflow, to track the progress of tasks and ensure a smooth flow of work. Scrum, an agile framework, emphasizes teamwork, accountability, and iterative progress towards a well-defined goal. It structures development in short iterations called sprints, typically lasting 2 to 4 weeks, with daily stand-up meetings to track progress and identify impediments. Waterfall, a traditional linear project management methodology, follows a sequential process where each phase of the project must be completed before the next one can begin. While less flexible than agile methodologies, Waterfall can be suitable for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal anticipated changes. Section 6. Tailoring frameworks to your project. A comparative analysis. Choosing the right process improvement framework is crucial for project success. Each framework has its own strengths and weaknesses, making it essential to carefully consider the specific needs and characteristics of your project before making a decision. Lean management, with its focus on eliminating waste, is ideal for projects where efficiency and cost-effectiveness are paramount. Six Sigma, with its data-driven approach, excels in projects where quality control and defect reduction are critical. Agile methodologies, with their emphasis on flexibility and iterative progress, are best suited for projects with evolving requirements or a high degree of uncertainty. Kanban, with its visual workflow management system, can be a valuable tool for teams of all sizes and across various industries. Scrum, with its structured sprints and daily stand-up meetings, is well suited for complex projects that require a high degree of collaboration and communication. Waterfall, with its sequential approach, can be effective for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal anticipated changes. Ultimately, the best framework for your project will depend on a variety of factors, including the project size, complexity, industry, team structure, and organizational culture. A thorough analysis of these factors will guide you towards the framework that best aligns with your project's unique needs. Section 7. Real-world applications. Witnessing frameworks in action. The impact of process improvement frameworks extends far beyond theoretical concepts. Their real-world applications can be witnessed across various industries, demonstrating their transformative power in action. In manufacturing, Lean principles have revolutionized production processes, leading to significant reductions in lead times, inventory costs, and defect rates. Toyota, the pioneer of Lean, has consistently achieved remarkable efficiency and quality in its manufacturing operations. In healthcare, Six Sigma has been instrumental in improving patient safety and reducing medical errors. Hospitals have implemented Six Sigma projects to streamline patient admission processes, reduce medication errors, and improve the overall quality of care. In software development, agile methodologies have become the industry standard, enabling teams to deliver high-quality software products faster and more efficiently. Companies like Spotify and Netflix have attributed their success in part to their adoption of agile principles. These real-world examples highlight the tangible benefits that process improvement frameworks can bring to organizations across various industries. By embracing these frameworks, businesses can optimize their processes, enhance their efficiency, and achieve sustainable success. Section 8. Choosing the right fit factors to consider. Selecting the most effective process improvement framework for your organization or project requires careful consideration of several key factors. These factors help align the chosen methodology with your specific needs and goals. First, assess the nature of your project and its complexity. Projects with clearly defined requirements and minimal anticipated changes might benefit from traditional approaches like waterfall. In contrast, projects with evolving requirements or a high degree of uncertainty are better suited for agile methodologies. Next, consider your team's structure and culture. Agile methodologies thrive in environments with high collaboration and communication, while more hierarchical structures might find traditional approaches more suitable. Evaluate your team's strengths and weaknesses to determine the best fit. Furthermore, analyze the industry and regulatory environment in which you operate. Certain industries, such as healthcare and finance, have specific regulations and compliance requirements that might influence the choice of framework. Lastly, remember that no single framework is a one-size-fits-all solution. Hybrid approaches, combining elements from different frameworks, can be highly effective in addressing the unique challenges of your project. Section 9. The transformative power of process improvement, a catalyst for success. The adoption of process improvement frameworks is not merely a trend, but a strategic imperative for organizations striving for operational excellence and sustainable success. These frameworks serve as catalysts for positive change, driving continuous improvement and fostering a culture of efficiency. By embracing process improvement, organizations can unlock a myriad of benefits. Reduced costs, improved quality, faster turnaround times, and increased customer satisfaction are just a few of the tangible outcomes that can be achieved through the implementation of these frameworks. Moreover, process improvement initiatives empower employees by providing them with the tools and methodologies to identify areas for improvement and contribute to positive change. This fosters a sense of ownership and accountability, leading to increased employee engagement and job satisfaction. In today's competitive business landscape, organizations that prioritize process improvement gain a significant competitive advantage. By continuously seeking ways to optimize their operations, these organizations can adapt to changing market demands, seize new opportunities, and thrive in the face of challenges. Section 10. Embracing continuous improvement, a never-ending journey. The journey of process improvement is not a destination, but a continuous process of learning, adapting, and evolving. Organizations that truly embrace the principles of continuous improvement view it as an integral part of their culture, constantly seeking ways to enhance their operations and deliver exceptional value. The key to sustaining the momentum of process improvement lies in creating a culture that encourages experimentation, learning from mistakes, and celebrating successes. Organizations should foster an environment where employees feel empowered to identify areas for improvement and contribute their ideas. Regular assessments and reviews are crucial to ensure that process improvements are delivering the desired results and to identify any areas where adjustments or refinements are needed. By continuously monitoring and evaluating their processes, organizations can ensure that they are on the path to sustainable success. In conclusion, the pursuit of process improvement is an ongoing journey that requires commitment, collaboration, and a relentless focus on delivering value. By embracing the principles of continuous improvement, organizations can unlock their full potential, achieve operational excellence, and thrive in today's dynamic business environment.